we are going to do cooking. So she's preparing okra stew, and I will be doing the okra soup. Let's see how it goes. You can. Everything is set here. We have some willy pepper and tomatoes. We have tuna, my blended spices. Okay, I'm basically using kotoje. Since my kotoje is soft now, I want to add the spices and everything here so that it will be easy for me when I'm boiling the okra. It's a mixed spice.
So I have the pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon, curry,
Okay,
rosemary.
so I take some,
I think
a little bit of that.
I'm checking if my willy is cooked. It's a bit hard.
Into my basin. So I add momone, salted fish. After adding my momone, to slide some onion. This is my late mother's way, you know. Yeah, sweet fatty. I love it. She taught me, Charlie, you dare not, you know, sit down while she's preparing food, you know. You will learn Yeah, one of her name is called Davidechi. Davidechi simply means master of soups. Yeah, Charlie, that woman is good. She was so good, man. I'm doing it this way because the okra has already been boiled. If not, I would have put in everything in the water, including the onion. Then I will allow it to boil, to overboil. No,
everything means okra and
yeah. So it will be the okra, the ademe, and the onion. But since that mixture has been boiled already, I just have to slice in the onion and the momone. So I'll allow it to boil small, then I'll add the
mix.
Wow. You can smell the momone. The momone is that particular ingredient that spices up the whole soup. It's elevating my spirit.
Hey.
Over to you.
So guys, I'm adding tuna to my base because the okra and everything is boiled. So we want to prepare everything. When we finish, the moment we add the okra, it simmers 1-2, and then we take it off the fire. So I have my everything in here. Yeah.
Add my okra to the base, and then you can see the oil. It means the soup is rich.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I will leave it for it to boil small so that I will have a complete mixture. Finally, my soup is ready. Oh my god, this is what I call lom nava fetri dechi. Yes, this is the lom nava fetri dechi I'm talking about. At this juncture, we're about to garnish the soup.
This we are done. Why? We need to Petri stew. Petri fry. Me too, I'm done. I'm done.
So guys, the Akpl3 is ready. I've spelled it like something else, Charlie Massa. It's about to go down. Ivy, let me fire. The sliminess. This is what we call lom nava. So this banku is called ewademi. It's one of the nice banku that you can get when you go to the Volta region.
Oh, Charlie, Okoye. So, guys, you remember when he was cooking, he made mention of the fact that the okro and the adame was already boiled. I boiled it like some 3-4 weeks ago, and then I froze it. And it was still slimy after defrosting. So, a tip: if you buy okro and you are not ready to use it, instead of leaving the okro there, because when it's there like that, it becomes hard. So instead of leaving it there for it to be hard, you can just boil it and then you freeze it. So after defrosting, you still get it fresh as if you just boiled it on fire. Yeah, so just one tip for you when it comes to okro and ademe. Yeah.
Okay, thanks to Ladybags. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, if you are new to this channel,
hit on the notification button. Charlie,
our returning viewers, we love you.
Yeah. What do we say?
We are.